Hey guys, so now that the E30 is into winter storage, I'm gonna show you the E53 X5 BMW that I bought for winter. It's a car that I have owned before, so I'm buying it again. I owned it in 2016. I put it on 20-inch wheels and 35mm lowering springs. But then when I was going to the US for a trip, I sold it to my parents, and 2018 I put the IS lip kit that I already bought on it to finish the look, and then they have had it since. Now I'm buying it again and have some plans for it. But I'm gonna show you what state it is in right now. It has seen better days, but we can make it work. So I'm gonna go clean it up a little bit and see if it makes any difference. Here you can see a little bit better, but far from good. So before I close this BMW X5 intro off, showing you the car, I'm gonna show you a package that I just received. It might give you a hint what's coming up next with the X5. On the 2nd of August I ordered this package from Flat Out Suspension. It just arrived today, even though it was a 3 workday shipping by DHL. So it took a while for them to get it going. I think it's made by order, so it's not just stocked in shelves. So it finally came, and I hope it's worth it. So here's the box. Let's open it up with the smallest knife I could find. So, Flat Out Suspension, level lift, adjustable rear suspension bars for fixing camber. And then we have adjusting keys for the rear bottom mounts, spring mounts. Got 2 of those. Then we have, what is this? Oh, these are bolts to adjust some suspension. Then we have, these must be, on the bottom we have the springs. These are the rear springs. In the front I will have to pick up some stock springs, because this kit goes with the stock springs, and I have lowering springs all around. And in the front, this is, so these are the front top mount spacers to lift it in the front. These are some nice powder coated spacers made out of metal. Two of those. So to look over the package, we have the front strut spacers left and right. We have the rear springs with the height adjusters. And then we have the front suspension hardware to change the camber. The wrenches to height adjust the rear spring height adjusters. And then these camber arms in the rear. And then of course some stickers. So now you have an idea what my plan is, in what direction my plan is going. So please subscribe and like the video, and see you in the next one.
Je n'ai jamais poursuivi la gloire. Il laisse les mémoires, des cendres, mes chansons.